What's up, everybody? Alex Winfield here with Coastal Group and the Winfield Real Estate team. And we are back at the Pembroke project. And I think if you guys saw the last video, you saw that the house was tore up pretty much to the bones. And now we're gonna try and bring this thing back together. So let's take a look and see where we are at, see how it's coming along. All right, got Trevor listening to some Britney Spears in here.
This is the second one they've had.
Look at that. Starting to look like a house.
This isn't the same song, too, is it?
They play the same thing on
Does he have it on repeat? You got Britney Spears on repeat all day?
All day, every day.
All right, so we got walls up. Got them partially painted. Got our light fixtures in. It is legitimately looking like a house. We got the master bathroom tile work done. Well, we still gotta do some grout, but shower's looking pretty sweet. Oh. Centered fan light, not in one random corner. And starting to work tile in here. Thank you, Mark. So that's a quick little sneak peek of what is happening. Floors, walls, electrical, lighting, everything's kind of coming together. And I think within the next couple weeks, we'll be putting in the final touches. But it's been a lot of work. The guys with the flooring, I mean, everything was like 4 layers of vinyl, and the bathroom floors were completely degraded, as you saw in the previous videos. But just a lot of prep work, but all worth it, all coming together. Great guys out there. Affordable Fix doing the flooring. We got Mark with Kelly Development doing the overall project. A bunch of other guys that are just doing an awesome job. Really happy with what they've been doing so far, and excited to see it come together even further. But that is it for now. Alex Winfield here, signing out. May your castle be secure and your cup overflow. Peace.